As of the time of this recording, Baldur's Gate 3 requires 2 controllers to play split screen. You can bypass this restriction by using something called an emulator. Essentially, you trick your computer into thinking there's a controller plugged in, but you're just using your keyboard. Feel free to skip here to find out how to install one, but you should probably hear about the drawbacks first. The first drawback is lag, but it wasn't enough to stop my partner and I from playing this game. The second drawback is effort. You gotta set it up, takes maybe 20 minutes, but then you're good to go. Feel free to research and find software that works best for you. However, I ended up trying 3. First one is called Rewas. I would say it had the cleanest user interface and it had a little bit of lag. However, after a week, you need to pay. It's a trial period. So the one I ended up using is called DJ Last Night's Gaming Keyboard. This one felt like it had less lag and it was free. You just download the zip, open it, run the exe. First thing you do is you block your keyboard. You don't want your computer to receive inputs from both your keyboard and the controller at the same time. So that's what the button does. Second, you got some presets here. They were a bit harder to set up than the first program, so I just kind of ran the default and I got used to it. You just click start and that's it, you're ready to go. Once you've opened the game, you'll want to hit settings. In settings, you need to change the input type. You want to go to accessibility, change input mode to controller only. Now you can create a new game, choose whatever difficulty you wish to play on. Watch the unnerving cutscene. Once you're on the character creator screen, you can hit A on your controller and a second screen shall appear like so. Now listen, I know it's cute and you would love to both create your characters at the same time, but trust me when I say this, the game loves to crash for some reason on the character creation screen. My partner and I spent 3 hours creating our characters because it crashed 3 times. And it's just a little frustrating, so just, take my word for it. After this cutscene, you can save the game and have the other player join in. Make sure you save though, because if the game does crash, although at this stage it never did for us, you'll have at least one character done. I played like this for 2 weeks and then we bought a second controller, and honestly it's just much smoother that way. So if you need to play on the keyboard for whatever reason, this is how you do it.